video of how to remove the steering barrel on a Fiesta MK7. Firstly, fortunately remove the steering wheel and airbag. I have got a video already uploaded if you want to watch that one to see how I remove the airbag and steering wheel first. But I've done that bit, so now you need to remove the steering cowling, and we've got 3 bolts TX25, 2 there and 1 just underneath in there. So I'll remove them now and I'll show you the next part. Right, once you remove the steering cowling, once you took the TX20 bolts out, it literally just separates, pulls apart. And then if you wanted just the ignition barrel out, if you look, I don't know if you can see it, there's a small hole, you push a little bit of wire, something very similar, thin down there, and then a screwdriver in the square hole. Make sure you've got it in position 1. Once you push them down, it'll literally just pull out, but I want the full lot out, not just the barrel. So what you need to do there is, you can notice under here you've got this, it's like a snap off nut from the factory. You tighten it up to a certain torque setting and then snaps the head off. It's supposed to be security so you can't get it off. So to remove the full thing, what you need to do is hammer, chisel, put a groove in. As you can see, I've started to do it. Put a groove in, knock it round with the hammer, and eventually it will come loose enough to wind the bolt out. And once it does, it's put the key in the ignition until it all comes loose. But I will show you that as I get a bit further on. Okay, I've wound that out enough now. You can turn it by hand when you get a couple of times, and you can wind it by hand out. So what I've done, I've left it till afterwards to remove this, but you can remove it beforehand. It's just a 10mm underneath. Loosen that off and the full thing will pull off. As you can see, that's wound out. Once it's out, turn the key to position 3 and that just comes off. That's it. That's the ignition barrel completely off.